From the initial health screening to the final processing stage, every step is meticulously monitored in this modern facility.
Okay, easy now, bring it down slow. That's the XYZ container?
Confirmed. Data logged, manifest clear. Secure the load.
Okay, easy now, bring it down slow. That's the XYZ container?
Confirmed. Data logged, manifest clear. Secure the load.
The Q3 welfare metrics show a significant improvement in recovery times, Doctor.
That aligns perfectly with the data we're compiling in the lab.
The Q3 welfare metrics show a significant improvement in herd health, particularly this spike here.
Good.
What about the hide quality?
Advanced diagnostics ensure the health of our livestock, managed across vast, open pastures.
The parasite count for stall 12 is still elevated.
Yep.
Yes, I saw that. We should adjust the deworming schedule accordingly.
These two are doing much better since we adjusted their diet.
The blood work confirms it. We should maintain this course for another 2 weeks. If we look at the Q3 data here, the overall welfare score is up by 15%.
That aligns with the projected outcomes.
We maintain strict quality control at every stage. As you can see by the marbling, this cut meets our premium standards. We maintain strict quality control at every stage. As you can see by the marbling, this cut meets our premium standards.
Ensure the temperature remains constant during the cycle. Noted.
The current batch is stable at 20 degrees.
We need to verify the lot numbers on this row before they ship.
I'm on it. The scanner should confirm the QA status.
Verify the count on aisle 7, near the robotics.
Confirmed. The automated retrieval logged it 5 minutes ago.
Control, this is dockside. Confirming XYZ is secure. Bring her down steady to Bay 4.